If you want to save your CapCut project files to your PC in a way that keeps everything organized and portable, this video will show you the exact steps. This is especially useful if you want to back up your project, move it to another computer, or keep all your media in one folder so nothing goes missing later. So if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your project inside CapCut. Make sure the project is fully loaded before you start changing any settings. Now click anywhere on an empty space in the timeline or preview area. This is important because you want to deselect all clips before changing project settings. Once everything is deselected, look to the right side of the screen and find the Details panel. In the Details panel, click the Modify button. This is where CapCut lets you change how your project stores its source media. After that, look for the Material setting. By default, it may be set to keep files in their original location, which means your project can depend on media stored elsewhere on your computer. To make the project file more self-contained, change Material from Keep in Original Location to Copy to Project. Before you continue, remember the Save Path folder shown by CapCut. This is the folder you'll need later if you want to copy the project to another location or back it up properly. Once that setting is changed, click Save. CapCut will now copy all of the source media into the project directory, which helps keep everything together in one place. After the save finishes, go to the top left corner and click Menu, then choose Back to Homepage. This closes the timeline cleanly and takes you back to the main project view. Now you can locate the save folder for the project. Once you find it, right-click that folder and select Copy. Next, navigate to the local destination on your PC where you want to store it. This could be your desktop, a documents folder, a backup drive, or even an external hard drive if you want extra safety. When you reach the destination, simply paste the folder there. Now you have a full copy of your CapCut project files saved to your PC. If you ever want to reuse this folder later, you can copy it back to the default save location for CapCut project folders. After that, restart CapCut and the project should appear in the project list again. That makes it easy to move between devices or restore old work without rebuilding everything from scratch. And that's it. You now know how to save CapCut project files to your PC the right way, keep your media together, and move your project folder whenever you need to. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.